Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable sound effects over on the Tiimo app. So in order to disable sound effects on the Tiimo app, basically what you need to do is open the app like this, and basically once you've done that, just head over to the bottom right corner of the screen at that profile icon, and then head over to the top right corner of the screen at that settings icon, scroll a little bit down until you find sounds right here, and what you simply need to do is just disable all of these sounds, and that's basically how you can disable sound effects on the Tiimo app. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.